Ever worry about leaving valuables in your car? This is the solution you've been waiting for. Console Vault has been around for more than 20 years. It is an in-vehicle safe that goes in the console of your truck, SUV, Jeep, and even some automobiles. What happens is you take the plastic junk that the manufacturer installed, take a couple screws out, and then you replace it with a steel welded on six sides vault that goes in, gets screwed back into the frame of your vehicle. And if someone were to try to break in, they need like a welding torch to get into it. So basically, you can put your wallet, valuables, protection items, or anything else you need, whether you run to the gym, the grocery store, leave your car overnight. Console Vault is an amazing solution. They have different types of locks with digital combination, biometrics. And at the end of the day, again, someone would pretty much need to steal your vehicle to be able to access what's inside the console vault. So it's a great deterrent and way to protect your valuables and peace of mind. Check it out at consolevault.com. And when you use promo code REMARKABLE at checkout, you will save at least 10%, if not more, on your order. And sometimes they even throw in free shipping too with that promo code REMARKABLE. So I'm David Pasqualone, host of the Remarkable People podcast. I am not just telling you about Console Vault because they're an affiliate, but because I personally use the product for years, have used the product since 2005, and will continue to use the product in any vehicle I can. Enjoy yours and leave notes in the comment section below once you see how great Console Vault is.